Hello students. Now the next chapter is locomotion and movement. What is locomotion? Movement of an organism from one place to another as a whole is called locomotion. Means I am sitting here, this is movement. I am not moving from one place to another, but if I was earlier at this position and now at this position, my whole body is transferred from one point to another. So that is locomotion. Movement of an organism from one place to another as a whole is called locomotion. Locomotion includes walking, running, climbing, flying, etc. Locomotion is possible because of the muscles and bones present in the body. This comes under the muscular system, and bony framework of the body is known as skeleton system. The skeleton is divided into two parts, axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton, it forms the main longitudinal axis of the body, and it consists of skull in the head, vertebral column, that is the backbone, sternum, that is the front bone present in the chest, and the ribs. Ribs are the semicircular bones which join the sternum and the backbone. And appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton includes the bones of hind limb and forelimb, and it also includes the girdles which join the limbs. That is the pectoral girdle, which is also known as shoulder girdle, which joins the two forelimbs, and the pelvic girdle or the hip girdle, which joins both the hind limbs. Let us see the skull. Skull of an individual is divided into two. One is the cranium. Cranium is the brain box which covers the brain, covers and protects the brain, and the facial bones which are present in the face, which are located in the face. Let us see the bones present in skull. First is frontal, जो forehead के नीचे है, frontal. Then parietal at the top of the head. Then occipital, बिल्कुल बैक में अगर हम देखें, पीछे टच करेंगे तो फ्रंटल, पेराइटल, ऑसिपिटल, टेम्पोरल, कान पट्टी पे, कान के ऊपर जो हम हाथ लगाएंगे तो बिल्कुल, दैट इज टेम्पोरल. वन इज स्फीनॉइड, प्रेजेंट बिटवीन फ्रंटल एंड टेम्पोरल, एंड इथमॉइड. लेट अस सी अगेन. Frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital, sphenoid and ethmoid. These are the bones of cranium. There are two parietal bones and two temporal bones. बाकी occipital, frontal, sphenoid और ethmoid एक ही है. Now, the facial bones. Let us see the bones present in the face of an individual. The facial bones include the nasal bone present inside the nose, which acts as a partition between two chambers of nose. Zygomatic, the cheekbone. Maxilla, present in the upper jaw. Mandible, present in the lower jaw. And there is a bone which is present at the base of the tongue. Actually, it is not included. It is not present in the face, but it is present at the base of the tongue. So this is hyoid bone. It is also included in the skull. And there are present palatine bones. Two palatine bones, palate, which is present at the roof of the buccal cavity. बक्कल कैविटी के रूफ को जो हम देखें, पैलेट विच वॉज प्रेजेंट, देर आर प्रेजेंट पैलेंटाइन बोन्स. लैक्रिमल बोन्स, which are located in the orbits of the eye, and the inferior concha. These bones, palatine, lacrimal, inferior concha, they are not visible in this diagram. Lacrimal bones दो हैं, nasal bones are 2 in number, zygomatic also 2 on both the sides, maxilla, upper jaw 2, mandible is 1, palatine bones are 2 in number, lacrimal and inferior concha, hyoid, they are 1 in number. In this skull, only the lower jaw is movable, which helps in chewing of food and speaking. Rest of the bones, they are immovable, they cannot move, they are fixed. And the joint between the two bones of cranium, these joints, these lines, these wavy lines, these are called sutures.